How Hiccup cracked the code of a secret society. Welcome back, guys, into my new story of today on my This Cinema Circle Boost channel. Let's start this. Late one night, Hiccup was combing through old Viking scrolls in the great hall when he noticed a strange pattern hidden in the margins, symbols that resembled dragon markings but did not match any known language. Intrigued, he spent hours studying them, realizing they formed a repeating sequence. Curious, he shared his discovery with artist and Gobar. These are not just random symbols. He explained they might be a code, but for what? Determined to uncover the truth, Hiccup began searching for similar markings around Burke Sun. He found them engraved on ancient ruins, dragon perches, and even inside the dragon training arena. With toothless help, he mapped the symbols, connecting them like a puzzle. The result was astonishing. Astonishing, it formed the shape of a hidden island, one not marked on any Viking map. Gathering a small team, Hiccup set sail toward the mysterious location. As they arrived, they found an enormous stone door carved into the cliffs. The same symbols were etched across it. Hiccup carefully traced the pattern he had decoded, and suddenly the ground trembled as the door slid open. Inside, they discovered a hidden society of Vikings who had lived in harmony with dragons for centuries. Their knowledge passed through coded messages to protect their secrets. The society's leader stepped forward. Only one who understands dragons could have solved the code, he said, smiling. Hiccup had not only cracked the mystery but also uncovered a lost civilization, one that held secrets that could change Burke forever.